There is something about a woman over 50 that no filter can manufacture and no algorithm can explain. It is not a product. It is not a technique. It is what happens when decades of grace, resilience, and rich, radiant skin settle into a woman's face and decide to stay. If you have ever felt invisible in a room you used to own, sister, stay with me because we are about to change that. Renita was 64, and she had worn the same low, relaxed bob since her youngest daughter left for college. 11 years, same style. Every 6 weeks she sat in the chair and said the same 4 words. Just clean it up. And every 6 weeks her stylist did exactly that. No questions.
No suggestions.
Just clean it up. Then one afternoon, her regular stylist had a family emergency. The salon sent in a younger woman named Jasmine, natural hair, gold earrings, the kind of presence that fills a room before she says a word. Jasmine stood behind Renita's chair and went quiet. Not an awkward quiet, a purposeful one. She tilted her head, studied the reflection, and asked something Renita had not heard in years. Your face is everything. Can I show you what I see? 2 hours later, Renita walked out with a tapered natural cut, soft coils defined at the crown, clean edges carving her jawline like sculpture. She looked at herself at the traffic light, then in the parking garage, then in her bathroom mirror for 20 straight minutes. Her husband stopped in the doorway. Renita, what did you do? And she said, I let somebody finally look at me. That is what the right haircut does. It does not add years back. It removes everything that was hiding what was already there. Welcome, beautiful, to Elegant Style 50+, where we believe style after 50 is not a consolation prize. It is the main event. Today we are walking through 8 haircuts that make a mature woman look instantly more elevated, more awake, more herself. Not younger, like you are chasing something you are not. Younger like the light behind your eyes just came back on. Stay with me, because by haircut number 3 you will be texting your stylist. And while we get started, if this is the kind of elegance you want more of, go ahead and hit subscribe now. This is a home for women who know their best years are not behind them. If that is you, you already belong here. Let's get into it. Haircut number 1. The tapered natural with a defined crown. This cut does something nothing else replicates. It keeps hair close at the sides and nape while letting the crown carry volume and texture. Here is the principle most stylists never explain to you. Volume at the crown lifts the entire face. The eye reads height as elevation, so the brows sit higher, the eyes look wider, the cheekbones emerge. For natural, textured hair, this cut celebrates exactly what your hair already wants to do. Shrinkage becomes a feature, not a fight. Against rich, deep skin, those crown coils catch light in a way straight hair simply cannot. The taper at the sides removes horizontal width, the kind that can make a mature face read heavier than it is. It streamlines the whole silhouette and pulls the eye upward, toward the face, not outward at the cheeks. This flatters oval, long, and rectangular faces beautifully. Round faces, ask your stylist for a tighter taper with more height at the crown. Maintenance sits around every 4 to 5 weeks, with a good moisturizer for the twist out in between. And if you are going silver, those gray coils catching light at the crown against warm skin are nothing short of editorial. Haircut number 2. The silk press lob with soft layers. Not every woman is ready to go fully natural, and that is completely valid. This cut is for the woman who loves the polish of straight hair but is ready to leave behind the heavy, one-length look that has quietly been aging her for years. A lob sits right at the collarbone, and that length is the sweet spot. Hair past the shoulders drags the eye downward with it. A lob stops that pull without sacrificing an ounce of femininity, but only when layers are added. Soft layers starting at the chin and cascading down create movement. When you move, they catch the light differently, panel by panel, and that is the dimension a flat cut can never give you. For finer or thinning hair, this is transformative. The layers create the illusion of density, the length frames without overwhelming, and the exposed collarbone carries an elegance all its own. Best on oval, long, and rectangular faces. Round faces, keep layers starting below the chin. A trim every 8 to 10 weeks keeps it sharp. Haircut number 3. The short tapered style with sculpted edges. This is the haircut that makes a statement before you say a word. It is not a compromise, it is a declaration. Sculpted, intentional edges around the hairline frame the forehead and temples with a precision nothing else offers, creating a clean, graphic line that reads as structured, composed, powerful. Think of the women who have worn short natural styles at the height of their careers and communicated one thing above all. Not youth. Authority. It reads that way because it is true. For a woman over 50, this cut does something quietly radical. It ends the fight. No more battling humidity or shrinkage. You align with your hair instead of against it, and the energy you were spending on that fight becomes available for everything else in your life. Works beautifully on every face shape with the right adjustment. Maintenance runs every 3 to 4 weeks for edge upkeep, but daily styling takes minutes. Now pause with me for a second. Of these first 3, which one is calling your name, and which one makes you a little nervous? Tell me in the comments, because the one that scares you is almost always the one that would change everything. Haircut number 4. The finger wave bob. This one is for the woman who wants elegance you can feel from across the room. Finger waves are timeless, and the modern bob version updates the classic beautifully for a mature woman. The bob length at the jaw provides the structure. The S-shaped waves, carved close to the head, provide the drama. They create horizontal movement across the cheekbones and pull every eye straight to the center of your face. The richer your skin tone, the more striking that contrast becomes. Best on oval and heart-shaped faces. This is a higher maintenance style every 5 to 6 weeks, but the way it makes you feel walking into a room is worth every appointment. Haircut number 5. The curtain bang lob. Curtain bangs change the game at any age, but on textured or fine mature hair, they do something close to magic. A soft fringe, parted off-center, falling like curtains opening on a stage. They can be parted, swept back, tucked, or left loose so you are never locked into one rigid look. They soften the hairline, soften the appearance of forehead lines, and open the whole upper face. For anyone noticing thinning at the temples, curtain bangs are strategic. They redirect the eye to the center of the forehead and give you a fuller, softer hairline that you control. Pair them with a lobat or above the shoulders. Works on round, square, and oval faces. Bangs need a trim every 3 to 4 weeks, but most salons will do a quick bang trim between full appointments. Haircut number 6. The mini locks or sisterlocks bob. Let's talk about what happens when you take the lock journey into bob territory, because this one is criminally underused on mature faces. Cut to jaw length, mini locks hang with intention instead of weight. They frame the face cleanly and put your features at the center of the conversation. The fine diameter of sisterlocks in particular gives you a bob with rayal movement and real versatility, from sleek and tucked to full at the crown. Against deep, rich skin, the dark, defined locks create the kind of contrast that photographers talk about for years. Works on every face shape, adjusted through length and part placement. A shaping trim every 8 to 12 weeks is all it needs. Haircut number 7. The teeny weeny afro with flawless edges. This might be the most universally flattering cut there is, and in your 50s and 60s it hits differently than it ever has before. Here's why. As we age, soft tissue shifts and the underlying bone structure of the face becomes more visible. That is not a flaw, it is architecture. High cheekbones, a strong jaw, defined temples, all framed by a very short cut with clean edges. becomes sculptural in the truest sense. Nothing competes with your expression. Just your face, your skin, your edges, and the quiet confidence of a woman who decided her features were worth seeing. This cut also shows off gray in a way longer styles never can. Close to the scalp, silver and white catch light at every angle, creating a natural highlight pattern people pay colorists a fortune to imitate. Flattering on every face shape with the right edge treatment. Maintenance sits around every 3 to 4 weeks, and styling time is close to nothing. That time you get back, the hours no longer spent managing length and product, go somewhere else. Into your morning, into your presence, into the room you walk into. Haircut number 8. The layered crown with a tapered nape. This is the haircut that belongs on a billboard. Full, layered volume at the crown that tapers cleanly down to the nape. From the front, that crown volume lifts the brows and opens the eyes. From the side, the clean taper creates an elegant profile with the neck exposed and the posture emphasized. From behind, it is simply a clean line of art. If your natural texture has started to lose its lift or feel weighed down, this is the fix. Internal layering removes weight while keeping the shape, so the coils rise instead of collapse, and the style holds its form longer between appointments. Beautiful on oval, long, and rectangular faces, with small adjustments for round and square shapes. Maintenance sits around every 5 to 6 weeks, with a simple moisturize, seal, and go routine day to day. There you have it. 8 haircuts, each one designed for the face you carry right now, the skin you were born into, the texture your hair has always wanted to be, and the woman you have spent 50, 60, however many years becoming. Renita sent a photo to her daughter that same night. Her daughter called back within 30 seconds. "Mama, who is that?" And Renita laughed and said, "That's me. That has always been me." That is the only thing a great haircut actually does. It stops hiding you. You are not past your prime, sister. You are in it. The body of work you carry in your face, the life you have lived in your skin, the wisdom you earned the hard way, none of it can be copied by a younger woman. It is exclusively yours. A great haircut does not make you look younger. It makes you look like the fullest version of yourself. And that woman is magnificent. So tell me, which of these 8 cuts are you bringing to your stylist, and what does your face shape call for? Leave it in the comments, because your answer might be exactly the nudge another woman needs to finally pick up the phone. If elegant style 50 plus is where you want to be, where mature women are celebrated, seen, and given the tools to walk into every room like they own it, then subscribe now, leave a comment, and share this with the most elegant woman you know. Until next time, walk in like the crown you are, because you always have been.